Good morning all. We are meeting after a very long time. We had taken classes related with blowing wings. In that we had explained different topics and different units which are there. As you all know that you have 4 units. One of the unit we have taken textual portion in the blowing wings platform which we conducted in the meantime of Diwali vacation also, and we had included different units in that related with textual portion and which includes stories and the poem section. Today we would be concentrating on the grammar section which is one of the unit for you. Each unit, as I've told you, carries 12 marks. So the portion which is there in grammar for you is parts of speech. Today we are going to concentrate on the noun parts of speech. One of the parts of speech is noun. We are going to concentrate on nouns today. There are different parts of speeches. For example, nouns, pronouns, adjective, adverbs, interjections, prepositions, conjunctions. But basically today we would be concentrating only on nouns because it is expected, as you have 12 marks, it is expected that one from each part of speech would be asked to you. Now the pattern in which they would be asking you is not clear, but it is clear that they would be asking at least one. It can be in the form of match the pair, it can be in the form of identifying nouns, it can be in the form of circling the correct noun, whichever direction has been given in the paper, which would be included in do as directed section. So it is very necessary that whatever you communicate should be acceptable, or it can be said that whatever you communicate should be understood by the listener. Communication holds a very important role in one's way of interaction. First year students must have done the Coursera interaction course at workplace. Why good communication is needed at workplace. Now, if you communicate in this way, the first I have written, you are a dinner. If I say in this way, you are a dinner. ये अगर हम communicate करते हैं तो it is not conveying your sense. आप जब कोई चीज को communicate करना चाहते हैं, it should have a sense, it should have a meaning, and the listener should accept it because he is understanding something. But if a listener is not understanding whatever you are communicating, that means your communication is weak one. You are weak from the point of communicating. As many students which the students which are enrolled in Coursera course, we have nearly 120 students who have received the certificate on Coursera platform. We have moved with cognitive platform also, where the interested students enroll themselves and they have received the certificate. One of the course which we had run was interaction, which is very necessary at workplace. वही कहना चाहते हैं कि interaction बहुत ही pleasant होना चाहिए, appealing होना चाहिए. It should be understood by the listener. The sentence which I had given you was you are a dinner. अगर हम ये sentence, if I speak you are a dinner, किसी से पूछते you are a dinner, so it is a meaningless sentence. It does not convey anything. वो convey ये कर रहा है कि आप dinner हो. But if I ask a question in this way, did you have a dinner? ये अगर हम interrogative way में पूछते हैं, did you have a dinner? Did you have your dinner? Have you completed your dinner? Modern auxiliary लगा के आप question पूछ-up कर रहे हैं. So it has a sense. The listener is going to give the answer in yes or no form when this question is going to put before him. So whatever you communicate should be a pleasant one, appealing one, should be understood by the listener. Today we are going to deal with the grammar portion, that is the noun section which is there written on the board. Now as it is written on the board, there are 6 types of noun. Out of the 6 type, any way of pattern can be asked to you. The first type is the proper nouns. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of person, place. It can be anything. animal and thing, or animal or thing, but it is specific to a proper person. It can be specific to any animal, but a name should be there. कुछ नाम होना चाहिए. जैसे बोर्ड पे हमने लिखा है, written on the board, Riya is a good girl. Now here if I say good girl only, हर सेंटेंस में जब हम if I say here Riya is a good girl, every word of the sentence is related with the parts of speech. But today we are going to concentrate only on nouns. पर अगर हम ये सेंटेंस को बाइफरकेट करें, रिया इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, क्योंकि वो रिया स्पेसिफिक रिया के बारे में ही बता रहा है. द स्पेसिफिक, इफ एनी नेम स्पेसिफिक इज देयर, पर्सन इज देयर, animal is there, thing is there, that is specific. We are pointing towards specific thing, so it is a proper noun. Now second one, यही सेंटेंस में अगर is देखा जाए, is a verb. A देखा जाए तो आर्टिकल है, good is an adjective and girl is again a common noun. So each and every word in a sentence is one of the parts of speech. It can be any, but today we are going to concentrate only on the nouns ones. Now Riya एक लड़की का नाम है. It is specifying towards a particular girl, that is Riya. इसीलिए when it specifies any person, place, animal or thing, it is a proper noun. And यहाँ Riya specific है, इसलिए proper noun है. I want to visit Nasik. अब कहीं नहीं visit करना, only specific place visit करना है. Nasik visit करना है. It is pointing towards a city, that is a specific city. Therefore, it is also a proper noun. Now, moving towards the next second noun, that is common noun. Now, common noun can be any place of person, place, animal or thing again. But यहाँ नाम नहीं रहेगा. The boy pointing towards the window is not good one. The boy who is pointing towards the window or who is seeing or watching from the window is not a good one. हमने boy बोला, boy का नाम नहीं बताया. Therefore, it is not pointing. Boy को indicate कर रहा है, but pointing specific. अगर हम हरी नाम बोलते, हरी is watching through the window. So यहाँ हमने specific हरी का नाम दिया है. So that is proper noun. But if I am using common thing, that is boy, girl, river, any it can be. If specific thing is not pointed, specific name of person, place, animal, thing is not pointed, then it is a common noun. यहाँ लिखा है boy, country, it can be boy, country, river, anything. Now moving towards the third form of noun, that is concrete nouns, which a thing existing physically and can be tested with sound या smell, कुछ भी हो सकता है. That denotes concrete thing. For example, if I say coffee mug, specific coffee को ही point out कर रहा है. Specific concrete thing. Smell से ही हम पता लग जाते हैं. आपने देखा होगा समोसा smell. समोसा अगर बोला हमने. So if the thing is one can smell it, sense organ से वो smell up कर सकते हैं कहीं ना कहीं से. So bells, if I say bells ringing, तो कहीं ना कहीं आवाज़ से हम sound से identify जो चीज़ कर सकते हैं, that is concrete things. Now the fourth one is abstract one, the abstract nouns. Abstract nouns does not deal with any physical reality, but it conveys the qualities of anyone. It conveys the qualities such as truth, danger, happiness, morality हो सकता. It denotes abstract things or ideas, that are anything related with abstract ideas and things which does not have physical reality in that. The values, qualities, वो सारे किस में आते हैं? Abstract noun में आते हैं. Next, moving towards collective nouns. जब group होता है, group can be of anything, ideas, thoughts, कुछ भी हो सकता है. But it is not in single form. अकेला नहीं रहता, झुंड में जब रहता है, collective, which itself indicate कि it is not a single but group of anything. For example, group of people. एक people नहीं है, people वैसे भी it indicates plural form. Plurality जहाँ रहती है, bunch of keys, चाबी का गुच्छा. So it is conveying anything in group. When anything which is conveyed, a message is given in the form of group में जाता है, bunch of keys. तो कह सकते हैं that is collective nouns, collective of anything. Now the last one, countable and uncountable nouns. ये टाइटल इटसेल्फ से हम क्लियर हो सकता है, जो नाउन्स को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a set of bottles. Set can be of any 6 हो सकता है, it can be of 12, but set of bottles. It is a set of bottles. कह सकते हैं कि set of pens. It can be any. वहाँ जो common noun है वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. Bottle is a common noun here. If I say set of pens, it is a common noun here. So it can be anything, but which can be counted. जो हम गिन सकते हैं, that is called countable nouns. But the nouns which we cannot count. For example, a spoon of sugar. Sugar के crystals आपने देखे होंगे. It cannot be counted. जो चीज काउंट नहीं होती है, वो that is uncountable nouns. The things which can be counted, those are called countable nouns. So today we have dealt with nouns. The different forms of nouns. That is 6 types. First is proper noun, common noun. Then is concrete noun. Concrete जो चीजें रहती, glass of water. Water यहाँ concrete है, which can be tasted. Next is abstract nouns, collective nouns, and the last one is countable and uncountable noun. Now इस पे question कैसे आएगा? Now they can give a sentence to you. The type of sentence या type of pattern which can be asked to you in the examination is a sentence would be given to you. For example, it can mean match the pair also. यहाँ girls, यहाँ नाम दिए जाएंगे लड़कियों के, और फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉमन नाउन के गीता नाम दे दिया गया है, रिवर का नाम दे दिया गया, ओनली रिवर वर्ड लिखा गया, ऑनेस्टी यहाँ लिखा गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेल यू कि हाउ द पेपर पैटर्न कैसे आ सकता है, पेपर पैटर्न कैन बी इन दिस वे कि कहीं ना कहीं डस्टर, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ ए कॉलम दिया गया है, बी कॉलम दिया. ए कॉलम में ऑनेस्ट लिखा, यहाँ ऑनेस्ट लिखा गया है, यहाँ गीता या रीता लिखा गया है, यहाँ नासिक वर्ड लिखा गया है, यहाँ रिवर लिखा गया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट इज रिटन इन दिस वे, और यहाँ लिखा है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, यहाँ लिखा है प्रॉपर नाउन्स. It can be asked in the form of match the pair also. It can be asked in the form of match the pair also. या आपको सेंटेंस दिया जाएगा, ऊपर लिखा जाएगा कि सर्कल और एनसर्कल द प्रॉपर नाउन्स एंड कॉमन नाउन्स, और अंडरलाइन कॉमन नाउन्स एंड प्रॉपर नाउन्स. Now question can be asked any, but one question, this is definite, would be there for you in your paper related with nouns. Thank you everybody. In the next class we would be dealing with the next parts of speech. It can be any verbs now, it can be any adjectives, adverbs, कुछ भी. Thank you everybody. Have a good day. Stay safe.